Hello, everybody. Charlie and Brandy outside, fixing to work on the patio. Y'all stick around. It's been raining a lot. Got lots of water around. Pole beans. I need to get the string on the pole beans, but y'all stay tuned. Hello, everybody. Hey, we're back here outside. It finally quit raining. It's Sunday, May the 2nd. And it quit raining finally. But look behind us. All that water. Finally, but we got a job we're fixing to start. Fixing to start working on this back patio. I would take y'all out in the sun, but it is sunny. Got it behind me. I can't see the screen. But let me show you what we're doing. How can you tell? Oh, there it is. All right. Anyway. There's more water, more water. It's just a mess out here. This is what we're starting. The patio. I got the metal the other day and been waiting for it to quit raining. I don't think it's supposed to rain for 2 or 3 days, so I'm gonna try to get the post holes dug and see how it goes from there. Get the posts cut, figure out how long they need to be. But it's gonna be a nice little cook area for more videos for cooking outside. I need to jack the trailer up a little bit right there and put the skirting back on. We'll be done with that. Anyway, y'all keep watching. My first hoe. Yes. Oh, what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna mark the post hole where I needed to stop at. I forget. I'm getting old. Crap thing. That way I don't have to keep measuring it. And would you know it? The wind's bad again today after all the rain. So I'm gonna stop this and get back with y'all in a little while. Well, first day of the build, and I got some metal cut ready to put together. It's getting late already. Sun's fixing to go down. Got 2 post holes dug, and that's about it for now until tomorrow. Son-in-law is supposed to come help me. We'll see. But need to get this over with and back to gardening. I got to get the string for these pole beans strung. They're already getting wild on me. Well, until tomorrow. Bye, y'all. Well, guys, we worked on the patio a couple of days, and today we get this. Rain, rain, rain. But we got all 4 legs up. Around that way. Got all 4 legs up and 2 runners. So maybe tomorrow, if it's not raining, we'll get this patio going. And I can do some more outside cooking shows a little bit easier. But it's gonna be nice. Autumn is sick, so we're just laying around in bed. So sorry about cutting the light off on y'all. But we'll see y'all on day 3 of the build. Bye, y'all. Oh, God. Getting hail. Yep, we got that post and that header done right there. And we got that post and header done right there. So what we're going to do now is come back and put metal across here, that end and this end, and a couple across the center. And that'll be the frame. And we'll be getting it framed out and ready for some sheet metal here maybe Friday, Saturday. Just have to wait and see how it goes. It is a muddy mess out here. It's terrible. Y'all look at that. All that water. I need to get more dirt in here. Get these low areas filled in. Raised beds are high and dry, thank God. But that's it for this video. I'm gonna kind of split it up into 2 videos of this patio build. So y'all stick around for the next video. Hey, we love y'all. Please subscribe, ring that bell, and give us a thumbs up. And we're going to make y'all some more videos. I keep putting my hand right in front of the camera. Hey, that's because we're not experts. So we'll see y'all later. Bye, y'all.